Hi everybody and welcome back to Elegant Tutorials. If you have watched my previous videos, you know that I have done always my foundation off the camera, and some of you have asked me what foundation I have been using. So today I want to share with you my foundation routine, and I'm going to show you which products I use every day for makeup to make my skin looks fresh, natural and glowy. If you like today's video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you are not already subscribed to my channel and you want to be subscribed, just look down below and tap on subscribe button right there. Okay, first of all, I have a pretty dry skin, and when I am looking for a foundation, I like to buy a moisturizing, light and long-lasting foundation, something that I can wear 24 hours all day long and still at the end of the day have a beautiful and nice skin. One of my favorite foundation is Estee Lauder Double Wear. I have been using this for years. It gives very fresh and flawless feeling in your skin. It has also very good coverage, and you can build it up by adding several layers on your skin, and it still looks very light, and it doesn't separate and doesn't look cakey at all. My favorite foundation at this moment is Shiseido UV Protective Liquid Foundation. That is absolutely amazing quality. It can worn for 24 hours and you can use it for multiple layers, and it is still very nice and light. This foundation has special technology. It calls Active Force TM technology. I don't know what is that actually, but because of this technology, it provides constant refreshment on the skin all day long. It protects skin against heat, against oil, moisture, and even against movement. So if you want your skin looks fresh all day long and doesn't have that full coverage effect, that heavy effect, that is absolutely the one that you can use it. As far as this foundation are not so cheap, I have got some idea to use this foundation in a way that you can save some money. So the point is that you buy one expensive foundation and another one from Drugstore, an affordable foundation. The important thing is that you buy very dark shade of expensive foundation and very light shade of Drugstore foundation. So what I do, I just use L'Oréal Paris, for example, as my affordable foundation, and just use it one pump and 1 or 2 drops of Shiseido just on my hand, and I mix it together and apply it with my beauty blender on my skin.
1, 2, 1, 2. Don't stop. I'm on fire. 1, 2, 1, 2. I love you. No. 1, 2, 1, 2. Don't stop. I'm on fire. 1, 2, 1, 2. I love you.
Okay, how can I save money because I have to buy an expensive foundation anyway? Yes, you're right, but hold on. In this way, you have to just buy an expensive product once, but you can use it for a long time. I have bought this Shiseido foundation last year and I can still use it for a long time, I'm sure. So I can save some money and still have a good result. Okay, next step is contouring. For contouring, I use also Drugstore product because my base and my foundation and my skin looks good. I don't mind if I use Maybelline or Chanel for contouring my face.
1, 2, 1, 2. Don't stop. I'm on fire. 1, 2, 1, 2. I love you. No. 1, 2, 1, 2. Don't stop. I'm on fire. 1, 2, 1, 2. I love you. One, two, three. No.
Last but not least comes setting product. Because I have a dry skin, I don't like use powder too much on my face. At this moment, I'm using MAC Studio Fix for just setting everything on my face. I just use it a little bit on my T-zone and that is it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Before you leave, just make sure tap on subscribe button, ring the bell, and I see you on my next video. Bye!